up, Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 14 GT that came in bone stock. We installed a Roush Supercharger. It's laid down over 550 real world horsepower. We're going to go down, take a look at the engine compartment, and watch that dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. All right, these cars are really cool. This is our Brenspeed Roush 710R package. It's a TVS 2300. Doug, come down here, take a look. So our package, you get the intercooled Roush Supercharger. Of course, it comes with a GT500 throttle body. Our package has a nice cold air induction system, Kohler spark plugs, fuel pump upgrade, a pulley that's gonna give you about 9 pounds of boost. This car, we also installed a rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat, has stock manifolds, like on the exhaust, stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats. We did do a McLeod clutch. Check out this dyno pull. So a lot of you have heard that Roush Superchargers for the 11 to 14 Mustang are discontinued. Cool thing is, you can still get our 710R package. We do typically have those in stock. We can install them here in Indiana. Email quote@brenspeed.com. What's that cost to get installed? We can also ship it right to your door. For the proper calibration for your auto, manual, 91 and higher, so you have to run premium fuel with this. Come out, check out these numbers. Dynojet SAE Smoothing 5, 576 raw horsepower, peaking right at 7,000 RPM. Torque comes in 482, peaking about 4,400, boost 9.47 PSI up top. So that's a cool setup. You have a bone stock car. This is a really good combination. Like this one right here, I like the gold stripes on it. So it's a 14 GT manual, 93 octane. We have the cows for auto, manual, whatever. We can ship it right to your door. Have any questions, leave that comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.